Two dryers, same price. One failed in 2 years. The other, still running after 15. What's the difference? We analyzed 1,600 plus projects in 50 plus countries. 5 hidden details. Cheap versus reliable. Secret number 1. SUS 316L resists what destroys ordinary dryers. Secret number 2. Closed loop drying keeps odors and emissions contained. Secret number 3. High SMER means lower and more predictable energy costs. Secret number 4. Maintenance you never think about. Separate compressor, no acid. Auto dust cleaning, no fouling. Modular, add capacity without tearing out the core. Secret number 5. Proven track record. 1,600 plus projects across 50 plus countries. From freezing winters to tropical humidity. From municipal sludge to chemical waste. Real reliability is earned in the field, not on a data sheet. Real reliability is proven across climates. The best systems are boring. They just keep running. Stop chasing the lowest bid. Start investing in certainty. Talk to SHINCCI today.